Now at 5, a survivor speaks out after being hospitalized due to carbon monoxide poisoning. He was among dozens of people affected by the toxic fumes at his condo building in southwest Miami-Dade. And that is where we find CBS News Miami's Peter Dench tonight. And it sounds like some scary moments for those residents. Peter.
That's right, Jim. In fact, we spoke with one man who was rushed to the hospital along with his mother. This all started when some people called 911 saying they were sick. That's when firefighter paramedics rushed to these condominiums and started banging on the doors.
I'm still a bit lightheaded, to be honest, a bit of a headache.
Ramses Losses was one of 22 people taken to hospitals after a carbon monoxide leak at the Hemingway Villa condominiums. His 56-year-old mother, Alina, was hospitalized as well.
They put her in a decompression tank-like bed to see if the levels would go down.
Miami-Dade Fire Rescue says 20 units responded to the building near Bird Road at Southwest 94th Avenue.
We woke up at 5 a.m. with loud banging on the door from the paramedics, EMT guys. I was taken to the hospital. I got discharged a little while ago. And I came back. They had me on a respirator with oxygen for about 3-4 hours. It helped. I'm feeling a lot better than when I went over there.
Fire Rescue evaluated a total of 60 residents who were evacuated.
They knocked on the door, told everybody to leave their units.
Fire Rescue discovered the carbon monoxide meters had been activated and said a malfunctioning boiler was leaking. Residents waited for hours as crews used monitors to check all 27 apartments, keeping all the doors open for ventilation.
Well, carbon monoxide is very dangerous at any time because it's a colorless, odorless gas.
Residents were allowed to return home around 9 in the morning after Fire Rescue found the source of the leak and contained it.
You're never prepared for the worst, and thank God that wasn't the case today.
Now, residents who we spoke with said they had smoke detectors, but they did not have carbon monoxide detectors. We spoke with a spokeswoman for building management, and she said sadly people were impacted. She said that this was beyond anyone's control and items do give out. We are live in southwest Miami-Dade. Peter Dench, CBS News, Miami.